Hi, I'm Irv Kagi, President of Transor Filter, and welcome to another episode of Then and Now, a program where we visit on location customers who have installed Transor systems. We're meeting today with one of our key customers and a major player in the cutter tool industry, Gar Tool, in Alma, Michigan.
Gar Tool began operation in the early 1940s by brothers Fred and Clarence Lapine. Today, President John Lapine, Fred's son, continues the tradition of making superior quality cutting tools, employing over 135 people in their 180,000 square foot facility in Alma, Michigan. In 2000, Gar Tool Company was introduced to Transor Filter with a trial machine that was installed on one of their tool and cutter grinders, replacing an existing cartridge filter. The first thing they noticed was how clean the oil was and the improved cleanliness of the machines. Multiple other benefits, including significantly improved cycle times, were quickly realized. Transor's 1-micron filtration eliminates carbide residue from loading up the grinding wheel. Equipped with chillers, the Transor systems provide 1-micron filtration, OMF, and temperature-controlled oil to plus or minus 1/10 degrees Celsius on all machines. Achieving thermal stability enables Gar's machines to achieve consistent and closer tolerances in their manufacturing of high-performance solid carbide end mills, drills, and other tooling. Now, over 12 years later, Gar Tool has expanded to include 47 Transor units, servicing well over 100 state-of-the-art CNC tool and cutter grinders. Gar utilizes Transor filters exclusively on all their tool and cutter grinders, replacing their older centrifuge and cartridge filters. With the Transor systems, maintenance issues have been minimized. Most of the oil used in the Transors has not been replaced, even after 10+ years, and is only topped off as required. The filter elements are cleaned automatically, eliminating replacement of the filter cartridges or the labor-intensive cleaning of the centrifuge systems. Transor's easy-to-handle disposal bags has enabled Gar to accelerate their carbide reclamation program with 1-micron filtration absolute. Not having carbide particulate collect in the bottom of the machines and around the moving parts has extended the life of Gar's equipment. Visitors continually comment on the cleanliness of both the machines and the production facility. Production benefits. Gar's product mix has grown to include new standard tool designs that meet growing customer demands, in addition to special customer tools manufactured to print specifications. Their production is set up in 3 distinct departments so that Gar can run certain groups of tools in certain departments, enabling increased specialization. One area features Walter Grinders running tools ranging from a 1/2 inch in diameter up to 1 1/4 inch diameter. Another area of the plant where Rolomatics are in operation focuses on smaller tools ranging from 2 thousandths up to a 1/2 inch diameter. The third area specializes in small lots. Gar's regrinding business features Anka machines, many with loaders for unattended manufacturing. In all these departments, the machines are connected to Transors and use a cellular concept whereby 2 or 3 machines are serviced by a Transor that delivers temperature-controlled oil to the tool and cutter grinders. With the investment of loaders on all of their automatic grinders for wheel and tool changes, Gar meets customer deadlines by having the capability to run around the clock. They point to the temperature-controlled oil as a major factor that provides the consistency required for lights-out grinding. Customer specials include high-performance tools having multiple flutes requiring unequal indexing and variable helix angles. 1-micron keeps the diamond wheels from being clogged with particulate, which is very important when you have different complex flutes that are being produced. Gar Tool has learned that to achieve maximum efficiency, it's important to look at the whole picture. Their process includes good machines, in-depth training of machine operators, high-quality wheels and oil, proper filtration and temperature control. For Gar Tool, Transor is a significant factor in maintaining a clean work environment, holding close, consistent tolerances for superior quality tools, minimizing machine maintenance, extending wheel life, and reducing consumable costs while easily reclaiming valuable carbide. No matter how big or small your production requirements are, see how Transor can make your operation world-class, just like Gar Tool.